Share ko sa inyo yung pangarap ko nung bata ako, ang maging flight attendant. One of my bucket list is to experience ultralight flying and finally, nagawa ko na rin siya. Nag-commute kami ng kapatid ko from Manila to Pangasinan or take a bus bound for Baguio, but before that, inquire if it passes through inner cities. If yes, drop at Binalonan Crossing or Jollibee. From there, ride a tricycle and tell the driver to drop you off at WCC Gate 1 New Terminal. 4 hours by bus and 3 hours by car. Welcome to Pangasinan Flying Club. 5:30 AM yung call time. When we arrived, nag-registered kami agad. Konting brief, sign ng waiver, prepare aircraft, then fly na. Since it was my birthday, ako na nauna. At first, kinakabahan ako, pero sa umpisa lang. At sigurado, dahil open na open yung plane at super excited din. Kasi nung nasa taas ako, salita ako ng salita, sigaw ako ng sigaw, para akong pipe, wala akong marinig dahil sa lakas ng hangin. It will take 15 minutes flight over San Manuel, Pangasinan. At talaga naman, napaka-spectacular ang views. Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung view from the top. And I like the speed and adrenaline. I really like the dropping feeling in my stomach when Captain Ian go on a big drop, parang roller coaster. The best time to fly is in the morning, 6 to 8 AM, para hindi ganun kainit at malamig pa yung hangin sa mga oras na iyan. Dito, hindi nyo na kailangan ng license to fly. So, meron silang new rates since they transferred to the new airport terminal. You can enjoy a complimentary 1-month membership with access to their ultralight aircrafts and a memorable flight experience with their skilled pilots, fully air-conditioned, free Wi-Fi, and a complimentary of snacks and drinks from any cafe starting May 1, 2025. Ang mga rates ay ito. Depende kung anong gusto nyo, Cessna ba or yung ultralight. At ang binook ko ay 4,850 each at nag-add pala ako ng 1,800 na camera rental each. Nung palanding na kami, pagkatanggal ko yung goggles, wala akong marinig dahil sa air pressure during flight. Pero saglit lang, magiging normal na lahat. No walk-ins allowed. If you are interested, feel free to book on their page or website. This is one of the most exciting activities na pwedeng gawin with your family and friends. Bawal to sa meron may sakit sa puso, pero kung gusto mo talaga, consult your doctor first, baka mamaya di mo kayanin. Kung may fear of heights ka naman, try mo because I believe that fears are meant to be conquered. Kaya mo yan. Sabi nga nila, do it scared. Yung 15 minutes was not enough, pero grabe ang saya tong experience na to. Literal as in. Worth it siya talaga. This was definitely the highlight of my birthday this year. Happy birthday, self. Thank you, Lord, for another year of existence. I wish myself all the good things this life has to offer. A huge thank you, Pangasinan Flying Club, staff and Captain Ian for our unforgettable flight experience. Very accommodating and kind. I hope you guys include this in your bucket list too. I promise you, you will not regret it. The videos honestly are actually, it's so much better in real life. Until next time.